Here's some tips on how to clean the stainless steel on your Avantco ice machine. Only use soft cloths, microfiber sponges, or plastic scouring pads to avoid scratching the surface. Clean with the polish lines by wiping parallel to the grain. Use the right cleaning chemicals, such as alkaline, chlorinated, or non-chloride chemicals. Noble Chemical offers Excel, a water-based aerosol cleaner and polish that won't attract dirt, making it ideal for commercial kitchen equipment. Clean and disinfect the stainless steel on your ice machine using a sanitizer, like Noble's Quick Sand, which is a ready-to-use sanitizer that won't damage stainless steel. You'll want to minimize the impact of hard water. Do not let hard water stand on your stainless steel surfaces for extended periods. By following these tips, you'll make sure your stainless steel is clean and shiny.